Did you know that replacing a modern engine can cost anywhere from $5,000 to over $20,000? The shocking part is that many engine failures are linked to oil-related issues. That's why engine oil is one of the most hotly debated topics in the automotive world. Every brand claims superior protection, longer engine life, and better performance. Amsoil has built a reputation as the gold standard among enthusiasts. But is it really the best oil money can buy? To find out, we are examining test data, laboratory analysis, wear protection numbers, oxidation resistance, deposit control, and long drain performance from 8 premium motor oils. Amsoil Signature Series, Redline 5W30, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, Ravenol DXG-USVO, Liqui Moly, Mobil 1 Truck and SUV, and Driven LS30. The results were surprising. Choosing the best oil turned out to be far more complicated than most drivers realize, and one lesser-known oil challenged Amsoil in ways many enthusiasts expected. Let's dive in. Test number 1. Wear protection. When people discuss engine oil, wear protection is usually the first thing that comes to mind, and for good reason. Studies from automotive engineering organizations have shown that excessive wear is one of the primary reasons engines lose compression, develop oil consumption issues, and eventually fail. Modern engines contain components operating under pressures that can exceed 200,000 pounds per square inch at the microscopic contact points between moving parts. Under those conditions, even tiny differences in oil chemistry can have a major impact over hundreds of thousands of miles. When I first switched from a mainstream synthetic oil to Amsoil Signature Series, the very first thing I noticed was not horsepower or fuel economy. It was engine smoothness. Now, can you physically feel microscopic wear protection? Not directly. But smoother operation often indicates a stronger lubricating film between moving parts. Looking at independent wear testing, Amsoil consistently produces extremely low wear scar measurements. However, when I later tested Redline and HPL, I expected them to feel noticeably worse than Amsoil. In fact, under heavy acceleration and high RPM driving, Redline felt every bit as smooth and confidence-inspiring. This makes sense because Redline uses a high percentage of ester base stocks that naturally cling to metal surfaces. HPL also impressed me because the engine remained remarkably quiet even after several thousand miles. The biggest lesson I learned is that Amsoil absolutely belongs among the best, but some competitors are operating much closer to it than most enthusiasts realize. Test number 2. Viscosity stability. One of the most overlooked aspects of engine oil performance is viscosity stability. Many drivers assume that if an oil starts as a 5W30, it remains a 5W30 throughout its service life. In reality, the extreme mechanical stress inside an engine can cause viscosity loss over time. Timing chains, oil pumps, bearings, and turbochargers. If the oil thins excessively, the protective film becomes weaker and wear can increase dramatically. This is where Ravenol DXG-USVO delivered one of the most impressive performances of the entire comparison. When I tested Ravenol DXG-USVO, the engine's behavior barely changed. That's a major compliment because viscosity stability is one of the hardest things for an oil to maintain. Ravenol's USVO technology, Amsoil also performed exceptionally well in this regard. After thousands of miles, it continued delivering the same smooth operation I experienced when it was fresh. Looking back at my notes, these were the oils that consistently maintained their character over time. Drivers who tow heavy trailers, operate turbocharged engines, or routinely drive in extreme temperatures should pay close attention to this category because viscosity stability often determines whether an engine remains protected after thousands of miles. Test number 3. Oxidation resistance. Many people believe that dirty oil is what destroys an engine, but oxidation is often the real villain. Oxidation occurs when heat and oxygen gradually break down the molecular structure of the oil. This process creates sludge, varnish, deposits, and acids that can attack engine components. During my experience with Amsoil, internal engine surfaces remained impressively clean. This helped me to explain why it is frequently recommended for extended drain intervals. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum also produced impressive results because of its Pure Plus gas-to-liquid base oil technology. In fact, Pennzoil's Pure Plus technology has earned a reputation for cleanliness, and now I can understand why. Components remained bright and free of heavy deposits even after thousands of miles. Ravenol and HPL also ranked among the leaders, demonstrating that premium synthetic formulations can significantly delay the onset of oxidation. Looking at laboratory testing and what I observed during inspections, Amsoil, Pennzoil, Ravenol, and HPL all demonstrated excellent resistance to thermal breakdown. These are exactly the kinds of oils you'd want if your goal is reaching 200,000 or even 300,000 miles. Test number 4. Cold start protection. Many engineers estimate that a significant percentage of engine wear occurs during startup, particularly when the engine is cold. When a vehicle sits overnight, much of the oil drains back into the oil pan. During the first few seconds after startup, critical components such as camshafts, lifters, timing chains, and bearings depend on the oil's ability to flow rapidly through narrow passages. In cold flow testing, Amsoil, Ravenol, and Pennzoil Ultra Platinum consistently ranked near the top. Their advanced synthetic base oils allowed rapid circulation even in extremely cold conditions. The startup noise was minimal, and the engine felt relaxed almost immediately. This rapid oil delivery helps establish a protective film before metal-to-metal contact can occur. Liqui Moly also delivered excellent performance, demonstrating why the brand remains highly respected among European vehicle owners. What makes this category particularly important is that cold starts happen every single day. A driver may only tow a trailer occasionally or drive aggressively once in a while, but startup protection affects the engine every time the key is turned. Over the life of a vehicle, these small differences can accumulate into meaningful variations in wear rates and component longevity. Premium oils justify part of their higher cost by excelling in exactly these everyday situations. Test number 5. Engine cleanliness and deposit control. One thing I always monitor during testing is oil color, engine cleanliness, and deposit formation. Now, darker oil doesn't automatically mean bad oil. In many cases, it means the detergent package is actively cleaning contaminants from the engine. However, what really matters is how clean the engine remains internally over time. After running Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, I was genuinely impressed by how clean the engine internals remained. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum was one of the standout performers in this category. The cleanliness benefits associated with its Pure Plus technology have been repeatedly demonstrated in various testing programs. Amsoil also delivered excellent results, maintaining clean engine internals even after extended service intervals. Mobil 1 truck and SUV surprised me because it performed far better than many people expect from a mainstream oil. The engine remained remarkably clean throughout the test period. Modern turbocharged and direct injection engines generate more deposits than older engines. Deposits can reduce fuel economy, increase emissions, cause rough idling, and even contribute to expensive repairs. Drivers who plan to keep their vehicles for 200,000 miles or more should consider this category oil. Test number 6. Extended Drain International. One of the biggest reasons people buy Amsoil is its reputation for extended drain intervals. And I will admit, I was skeptical at first. Many drivers still change synthetic oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, despite modern lubricants being capable of much longer service intervals. Amsoil Signature Series is marketed for drain intervals as long as 25,000 miles, or 1 year in certain applications. When I analyzed used oil reports and tracked oil condition over time, Amsoil consistently demonstrated excellent stability. Additives remained strong, viscosity stayed within specification, and wear indicators remained low. What surprised me was HPL's performance. It handled extended intervals exceptionally well and proved capable of competing directly with Amsoil in this area. Ravenol also demonstrated remarkable resistance to degradation during long service intervals. What these results reveal is that modern premium oils are far more durable than many consumers realize. These experiences taught me an important lesson. The oil itself is often capable of lasting much longer than people think. The real limitation is frequently fuel dilution, driving conditions, and engine design. A vehicle that spends most of its time on the highway may safely run much longer intervals than one that experiences constant short trips and stop-and-go traffic. Understanding this distinction can save drivers significant maintenance costs without sacrificing engine protection. Final verdict. After analyzing wear protection, viscosity stability, oxidation resistance, cold start performance, deposit control, drain interval capability, and overall value, Amsoil's Signature Series absolutely deserves its reputation as one of the finest motor oils available today. It consistently ranked near the top in virtually every category and showed no significant weaknesses throughout testing. However, the biggest surprise is that Amsoil was not the uncontested winner in every test. Redline challenged it in wear protection. Ravenol challenged it in viscosity stability. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum challenged it in cleanliness. HPL challenged it in long-term durability. Mobil 1 truck and SUV delivered exceptional value. The reality is that modern premium oils have become incredibly sophisticated, and the performance gap between the very best products is often much smaller than the marketing claims suggest. If you want a single oil that performs exceptionally well in almost every situation, Amsoil remains one of the safest choices available. But if you thought Amsoil stood alone at the top of the mountain, these test results tell a different story. The premium oil market is more competitive than ever, and that's great news for every engine owner. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what oil are you running in your vehicle right now? Have you ever tried Amsoil, Ravenol, HPL, or Pennzoil Ultra Platinum? And after hearing these results, which oil would you trust to protect your engine for the next 200,000 miles? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car care tips and tricks.